Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities podcast. This is 𝗀𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗀 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on silver. On the daily chart, silver has formed the shooting star formation while it reverts from the crucial resistance of 86,320. Prices should sustain below the yesterday's low to confirm the correction in the bullish trend. The support for the pair should be around the level of 83,500 and 83,000 for the section ahead. The stochastic indicator has a bearish crossover as it tries to move out of the overbought zone, supporting the bearish move. Therefore, a sell on buy strategy could be used targeting the level of 83,000, while a close in an hourly chart above the level of 85,000 should negate the bearish bias. Hence, we expect silver to trade with a negative bias for the day. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.